In this demo, we're going to edit a ledger code in Dive 365. Ledger codes provide a means to categorize purchase line items, and this allows for easier reporting on transactions and billing categorization. Now keep in mind that Dive 365 is not a financial application, but it does try to make your life easier. So let's imagine an organization that wants to make sure that all recreational earnings are organized separately from their competitive earnings. And to do that, they've already created some ledger codes and applied them to sessions and registration categories. But what they want to do now is add a description to make sure that future admins understand what each ledger code is about. So let's get started. Now I have Dive 365 open in my browser, and I'm signed in as a global administrator in my organization, which is called D365 Club. So like the example, I want to edit a couple of ledger codes to help define them better for future admins. So let's click on Administration in the left-hand menu, and then Ledger Codes in the Accounting section. Great. So now we're being shown the list of all ledger codes defined in my organization. I see the default code that all purchases are associated with if no other ledger code is provided, and importantly, you can't edit that code. But I also see some ledger codes that have been created in my organization. So let's go ahead and edit one of them. Now to do that, we can click on the Edit button at the end of the row of whichever one I want to edit. So let's say it's the competitive one. Perfect. So now this shows us the Edit Ledger code pop out on the right-hand side of the page. And from here, we can edit the code, change the name, and add a description. So let's do that. Let's add a description. Something like code for all competitive stream purchases. Great. Now we can click Save at the bottom of the pop-out. And perfect. Our ledger code now has a description. So there you have it. In this demo, we updated ledger codes in Dive 365.